Pag-usapan natin yung ruling ng Supreme Court where it upheld the decision of the Regional Trial Court ng Malabon in declaring the municipal waters reserved for our municipal fisher folks unconstitutional. I already talked about the effects of this ruling sa ating fishery sector, even criticizing the ruling itself. Ngayon, let us look at the case closely. Bakit ba inapheld ng Supreme Court yung desisyon ng Regional Trial Court ng Malabon? Well, before it got to the Supreme Court, the case was first filed by the Mercedar Fishing Corp sa Regional Trial Court ng Malabon. Nag-file sila ng petition na papasukin yung kanilang commercial fishing vessels sa municipal waters. The Fisheries Code, the Republic Act 8550, later amended by the Republic Act 10654, has provisions stating that this municipal waters, the 15-kilometer zone galing sa Baybay papunta sa Laot, is reserved for municipal fisher folks. Commercial fishers cannot enter nor fish in these municipal waters. The Mercedar Fishing Corp questioned the validity and constitutionality of the provisions of the Fisheries Code that talks about the municipal waters. They also questioned the preferential use of the municipal fishers sa municipal waters. They raised the issue that the national government delegating the management sa municipal waters sa LGU disregards the doctrine of constitutional supremacy. Because nakalagay sa ating 1987 Constitution that the Philippine waters is owned by the state. Therefore, only the national government may regulate its use. That's why they are questioning the provisions of the Fisheries Code. They're questioning its validity and constitutionality. They also question the preferential use of our municipal fishers sa municipal waters. If you look at the 1987 Constitution, if you look at Article 13 sa social justice and human rights, nakalagay under sa Section 7, under agrarian and natural resources reform, nakalagay doon yung preferential use ng subsistence fishermen sa ating marine resources. But the court held that yes, it says the preferential use of our subsistence fishermen sa ating marine resources, but it does not exclusively say that it is only exclusive for municipal fishers, nor it is excluded for commercial fishers. And the ruling was in favor of the Mercedar Fishing Corp. Their commercial fishing vessels can now enter these waters, but they cannot enter less than 7 fathoms, or that's around about almost 13 meters. Bakit ba inapheld ng Supreme Court itong decision ng Regional Trial Court ng Malabon? They upheld it not because they looked at the merits of the case. They upheld the decision of the Regional Trial Court because of a procedural nuance. The DABFAR failed to file a motion for reconsideration or an appeal within the 15-day reglementary period. That's why the decision became final and executory.